beginning cigar smoker, the Wise Man Corojo is, to me, a perfect cigar for a beginner, or the Maduro, right? I think those two cigars in the line, even though the Maduro is a dark, heavier wrapper, it's actually a great mild to medium Maduro. And the Corojo is a perfect right down the middle cigar. We also have Charter Oak Connecticut Shade, which we've gotten 3 times now, Cigar Aficionado Best Buys. Charter Oak Connecticut is a beautiful, creamy, smooth Connecticut Shade cigar. We also have that in a broadleaf Maduro and a Habano, but none of them are in that real heavy category. I think mild to medium is right there. And then our high-end Rolls Royce would be the Highclere Castle. That's a beautiful, creamy, sophisticated, mild to medium cigar.